How to move your birthday to archive on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to move your birthday to archive on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it just click view your profile, and here just go down until you find your birthday and then click the story points here and click move to archive. And that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.